Hello everyone, this video will introduce co-branding feature of HikProConnect. Open company information interface. In the lower left corner, there's a function called co-branding. So, what's co-branding? If you want to display logo of your company on HikConnect mobile client for brand promotion to end users, you can use co-branding function. This function helps promote awareness of your brand and the strength of products and services. Please inform your end users to download or update HikConnect mobile client version 4.30 and later. You can send a QR code or download the link showing the banner on the home page to them. After enable co-branding function, end users can view company logo, address, and phone number by HikConnect mobile client. Please see the renderings. As shown in the first figure, when end users open HikConnect, the logo of the installer can be displayed. Look at second picture again. In the login interface of HikProConnect, the logo of the installer will also be displayed. And on the page of HikProConnect, end users can see the logo too. In this way, promotion awareness of your brand and the strength of products and services. This is an introduction of co-branding. Thank you for watching.